everyone, it is Susie and I hope everybody's doing good. We are officially, or by the time this video gets out, it should officially be fall. So looking forward to the trees changing colors and just the beautiness of fall. Today I have a box from Amanda with your Creative Studio. This is supposed to be the May box. She was gracious enough to send me this box, so we're going to open it up. I had just received it in the mail today, so I always like to open them with you so that we can just all see what's in it together. So let's take a look-see here. So Amanda always sends a thank you card, and let's just go ahead and pull the contents out of the box. Get rid of the box. Okay, so I did notice my box was a little, maybe it had gotten a little crushed on the back end, so I'm hoping that all the contents were fine though. Oh, it looks like it might be a packed box, so let's remove the paper here and see what we have. So we have like some ticket strips here. That'll be fun for maybe stamping on. So nice colors. Some of it looks like it might be vintage background. So there is that. Oh, here are some flamingo stickers. That's cute. My daughter and son-in-law love flamingos, so that's cute. And then here we have a sticker. I can't tell. I think it's like a parakeet maybe on there. Yeah, a parrot. But anyway, there is that. Oh, here's the Toucan Sam right here. That's what this stamp looks like it will be. So let's pull that out. Yes, there he is. So, and then here is a pineapple, which is cute. I will have Amanda's website linked in the description box for you to go over and check her out. Oh, these are cute. Here is some like the faux stamps. And these are nice because you don't have to cut the, and they are adhesive backed. I can feel it. So these will look like stamps when you tear them apart. You won't have to do any cutting this away. And like I said, I believe that they feel like they are sticky back. Yes, they are. There we go. They do peel apart. So there is some awesome little stickers there. Let's see. This is a flamingo, it looks like. So let's pull this one out. Oh, it is. Look at the cute flamingo stamp. Oh, that is super cute. And then here is a big leaf. Love, love, love that. And of course I will stamp those so that you can see them. Let's get this open here. This just looks like it might be some labels. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this has number on it so I can see. I like that already. I like the ones that have that. Let's see if I can figure out how to get it open here. And they look like they are probably adhesive backed. Yeah, I can tell by feeling. So let's see what all we got here. Just birds. That is a really cute stamp or label right there. I love the bird. Love the birds. There's some rows, just some script. And there we are, and lots of little labels, so there is that. Here is some masking tape, which is just washi tape. Let's see, oh, it is just like a leaves is what it looks like. Just some leaves. It's going to be hard to see there, but it is just some leaves is what it is. So, all right. Here is some little pieces that I always like for collaging. Oops. Oops. That is not easy to open there. We're going to bust the little seal there. Okay. Yes, just some little butterflies, botanicals. So, there is that. Here is the tissue paper, and I'm not going to pull it out of the pack. It is so thin and so fine, but there is the tissue paper. And there's usually about 5 pieces in there. These are cute. These are some envelope. Oh no, this has got something in it. But it could be used in your journal for sure as an envelope here. So these are just some strips. They are sticky back. They definitely feel sticky back. So love the roses strip. Very nice. Yeah, I love that packaging. That's really cute. Okay. Oh, these are cute. Very cute. This is just some, it looks like ephemera, just all kinds of that pink and flamingo. And these are pretty sturdy too. Now they are not sticky backed, but how cute. Oh, I love that pink and green. That is adorable. I guess that's a chameleon probably. Just several pieces here. There's another couple of the flamingos. There is the toucan Sam. Just some really cute ephemera. I like these pieces right here. That is super cute. And there's one kind of in a heart. Really cute, cute pieces. I love the pink and green. That is adorable. Okay. And then here is the, like the backdrops. There is your, these are just beautiful colors. So adorable. And then here is the vellum, the little vellum pieces. This is a textured here, and it is sticky back. Very nice. That's a vellum, I think. These are all sticky backed here. Love that. Okay guys, so that is the box. I'm going to clean up my mess and we will try to get into a make. So, okay guys, so I did get a project done. It did take me a day or two to get it all completed up, but anyway, this they still call it a snippet roll, but it is just a fun collage to me. But I'm going to give you the tutorial on how to do this, and it is at Berry Mix Journals on YouTube, and I will link that video in the description box, as well as of course Amanda's your creative studio site. But all of it here is basically the your creative studio pieces that came out of the box. I have been wanting to do this project for some time, just haven't really picked a good time to do it. And with this box, I just thought, how fun. This would make a fun little, if you call it snippet. I call it just a collage, you know, of things. So anyway, Berry Mix Journals on YouTube is where this tutorial come from, and I'll kind of show you the basics, and I may even insert a couple of pictures as we go. But I want to show you, this is just so fun. I used the flamingos out of that ephemera pack from the box. I did use a couple of the stamps here. I wanted to use the stamped flamingo, but it just wouldn't work in any part here where I was doing. It just didn't fit. So what I did was just use the pineapple and the toucan Sam. I did use some of the stickers here, the little flamingo stickers. They were so cute, the little washi stickers. And some of the stamps there, and I actually just cut because I needed them to be a little smaller, so I cut off the edging around it and just used the inner part. But I used some of the tickets here, and I just stamped a little number on them. Here's this one over here, the number 4. I just stamped, I have some vintage stamps there, and so I used the tickets right there and just stamped some numbers on them. And let's see, what else? I think that's it. Oh, and of course the ephemera flowers here. I used one of the big ephemera flowers there. And it seemed like I used another one somewhere, but I don't see it. Maybe I changed my mind. And then I used some of the Tim Holtz tickets and just some of these old vintage cards that I have, these little mini cards. But anyway, just a fun project. And I'll kind of just roll it here across. And it is probably about, looks to be about 22 inches long. So anyway, just fun. Here is the back. And you can see where I've just used a strip to kind of start the base on, which is actually by the tutorial that Berry Mix Journals shows in her tutorial. So anyway, guys, this is just a fun project, and then threw in some of these bathing beauty photos here, these images, just for a fun, beachy, tropical theme. So anyway, just fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just give you a basic, but then I'm going to have you go to the tutorial that I used. But basically, now I didn't use mine this wide, but basically you just want something, whether it's paper or a fabric or whatever, for just a base. And then I took some of the papers and just cut them apart that were in the box, and you can cut them any width that you want. And I kind of staggered mine where they would be just maybe different sizes like so, and then just put one on each end here. So anyway, that's how I started, and I got them glued down, just butted them up against each other and got them stuck down. And then I started my layer. And so I have like maybe 3 layers is how I went on this right here. So I started with just getting the photos in and kind of just wanting to stagger them in different spots. You know, maybe I went up a little more or something here, went up to the top. And anyway, that's what I started, basically, was just that bottom layer, and started just laying stuff out. And I put a little card on each end, and I put one down here. But you can see, and then if you like how that's getting, then just go ahead and stick it down. That's kind of what I did. And then I stitched around my photos and stitched here on the little pieces. Then I grabbed like maybe my tickets, and then I just started, you know, laying stuff down, or I think I did the, yeah, these little tickets from the pack. And I just maneuvered stuff around and just started layering. And I'd lay it down first, make sure I liked it, and then if I liked it, then I just glued it down and just kept layering on top of it. So that is the basic how-to on how I got my layering and everything started. So be sure and go over and watch the tutorial though from Berry Mixed Journals, because it is really good and you'll enjoy it. And anyway, but here is the product, so, or the finished project. And I absolutely loved how it turned out. So anyway, guys, remember the links are in the description box for your creative studio. And thank you to Amanda for sending me another box. And Berry Mixed Journals, I want to thank her for the tutorial. And anyway, guys, great project, great box as always. And thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.